So I've heard people talk shit about these neons, saying don't ever kill them because they might not ever start again. But first problem I've had out of it so far. Nothing at all. I've swapped fuses that I know that work, relays that I know that work. Check the battery. It's like 14.7 volts. It's brand new. I really don't know. Did some research. I read that it might be the clutch safety switch. But it's not like I'm gonna get one of those right now. I'm trying to go race this thing like tomorrow night. And I was gonna enter it the same class as a Hellcat, but she won't start. Tried to jump start it. See where I'm at now. See what happens, I guess.